So we gotta get this guy first. Let's go big breath in. All the way out. Good, one more. All the way out. There it went, perfect. Now we'll get this little guy. Let it lay. There it is. And then this one. There it is, awesome. Let's go big breath again. All the way out. There it is, and again. All the way out. There we go. Awesome. You're starting to actually open up on this thing a little bit. Big breath again, all the way out. Good. Still again. Good. That's all good. I'm going to do a little stretch just to open this up a little bit. Excellent. You guys had a good workout this morning?
Oh yeah.
Excellent. Let the knee drop. That's open. One more. Good. Other side. Those are moving. So that helped pretty good. Let this knee drop. There it is. On your back. So just down the left hip closing down a little bit. Let's get this guy. There it is. There they are. Down to those two.
Good. You feel all this tension up here? This is where your headaches come from, dizziness comes from, right up in here. And so we're going to affect this indirectly by adjusting the middle of your neck. Okay. Just taking my time, no rush, nice and easy. Okay. You feel it's already starting to go? It already start to go right there. Good. I did the hard side first. Okay, good. Right in here is where I'm going to adjust, right in the middle of that tension right there. Good, relax. Good, good. How was that?
Fine.
Fine, huh?
Yeah.
Fine.
Is I've separated the tendons with my finger and I've moved into the back of the knee joint capsule onto the back part of the actual meniscus there, and I've put the tibia into a neutral position, and I'm kind of levering it this way a little bit to open up the joint space. And if we can just get the cartilage to start to shift a bit. See there, see how we can bring his leg up? You see that? So that went from locked to being able to put it in the right spot. So now what I'm going to do is keep a bit of pressure where I am, but move across onto the back of the tibia, the lateral part of the tibia. You might get a bit of a fright here, Paul, but don't be worried, okay, mate? Put a bit of weight on him there, Rob. That's it. Just let your tummy muscles relax there, Paul. There you go. This one might be a little bit uncomfortable, Paul, but don't worry if it is. There you go. Beautiful.
And then typically, he'll rotate your head and lean it to the side, or what we call lateral flexion, to find the tension in the joint. And as you relax, there's a little thrust that goes in that moves that bone in the right position. Here we go. And with this one, the important part is pretending you're relaxing your ear right on the pillow. Good, let everything go. And boom, moves right in.
This is a great way to fast stretch the hips and the joints of the spine. If this is the case, then I have low force adjusting techniques to remove your subluxations.
We're just going to give it a little push. And I felt that move, so yeah. Do you feel how that's looser?
Yeah, it feels a lot.
Okay. And I'm just going to take a little contact and we're going to push there. And we got a little release. We're still a bit tight. There it goes right there. And there we go. Okay.
So we're going to set it up with a little tension, moving forward and to the right. Make sure his head stays as close to neutral as we can, and just give it a push.
All right, we'll start right here. I'll have you take a nice deep breath all the way in. Let that air all the way out and just relax on the table. Here we go. Doesn't that feel okay?
I feel great.
Good. Doing okay so far?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Perfect. Have you go ahead and flip to that other side too. All right, doing okay so far?
Yeah.
All righty. Twisty up here. There we go. On your back. All right, so we'll go ahead and do that neck adjustment now. I'm just going to tip your head over to the left side. Have you relax nice and heavy. Very good. Really great movement out of that joint. That feel okay?
Felt great.
Same thing on the left over here.
So that's what I'm gonna do right there, okay?
Yeah.
Good. Ready for this, kiddo?
Yep, I'll live.
Good. You will. Okay. Let your head go right there. Good. Just let this relax right there. Okay. Controlling the other.
Whoa. Trippy. That didn't even hurt.
It didn't hurt?
No.
Okay, let's go this way. Oh, man, your jaw just popped right there. Just set it up.
Whoa. God. Wow, I really like that.
And how many times have you done this before?
This is my first time ever going
First
to a
time ever,
chiropractor.
and she loves it already.